So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to split our parcels. Actually, we're going to split the street surfaces away using our parcel surfaces. And so what we're going to require for this is 0 curves. So make sure all your curves are turned off. You can master turn them off right here. And let's open up our surfaces. And all we're going to need right now is our street surfaces and our parcels. So let's make our street surfaces current layer. And let's make sure to turn off building masses too. So everybody should be at this point. All you're going to see is green and blue. Green and blue. And we have our green layer selected. So what we want to do here is we want to split away information. And so it's going to stop it from looking so crazy when you zoom around. So the command for this is called split. So let's type in split and hit enter. Now it's asking select objects to split. So we want to split away the information from the streets. So those are the objects we need to select first. So let's go over here and right click on street surfaces, and you should get this pull down menu right here. And let's go to select objects. I'll show you one more time. If you right click on street surfaces, you can go down and go to not select all, select objects is going to be what you want to click. And you'll notice everything that's on that layer, which is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, have all been highlighted. So that's what we want to split, right? We want to get rid of some of that information. So now that we've done that and they're selected, let's hit enter. And now the command is asking select cutting objects. So we want to use our parcels, the blue layer, to cut the information onto the green layer. So the best way to select all your parcels is to now highlight, click once on the parcel surfaces, and let's do the same thing again. Let's select objects. So now we've selected those objects. So those objects are now going to cut into the green ones. So let's hit enter. Now that we've done that, it should have, if no issues arise, hopefully not, it should have cut everything for us. So the best way to find this out is let's turn off our parcels. So I turned off the parcel surfaces, the blue layer, and now you should see all the cuts that happened into the green layer. And that's how you split something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the information we want to keep, and I'm going to hide it so that way we can delete all the information that we don't want to keep. So everybody, let's select right here. Let's click that because we want to keep that. And it's this big piece right here, so I'm clicking here because I know that's part of it. And let's type the command hide. So now all you see is the pieces that we cut, right? If I turn on the parcel layer for everybody to see, it's the exact same information twice. And that's because we use the blue layer to cut the same exact profiles out of the green. So we don't need this because it's duplicate information. So let's select all that and let's delete it. Now that we've done that, let's do the same thing for the other side, right? So I know this big piece right here, which I'm going to select over here because I know that's part of it. I'm going to hide it. So HIDE is the command, and it's hidden. So now that that's happened, there's some pieces here that we don't want to delete, so let's hide those as well. And it's going to be this piece in the bottom right, and I'll bring it up to the top so everybody can see it, and I'll go into top view so you can see it. So we want to select these pieces right here and that piece right there. And what we're going to do is the same exact command, we're going to hide it. Now it's gone. It wasn't deleted, it's just hidden. And so this is, just like before, the same duplicate information. So let's delete it. So select it all and then hit the delete. So now we're wondering where's our street surfaces that we hid, right? Now the best way to bring that information back is to type the word show. Show allows any hidden information to come back onto the screen. So I type show, and that's what it's given us. So everybody should be at this point right here. And if I turn on my parcel surfaces, you'll see that they fill in the blanks where all the holes are. So now we have our parcel surfaces, which are our lots, essentially where the buildings are going to be on, and we have our streets.